From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Casey Herman. Today is December 6, 2016, and today we have a special CWS forecast afternoon from the Tuesday Midday Shift from the 5 of us. But to start out, our weather headlines for today, we'll have a wintry mix in the area with some rain, some snow, and even some sleet. By midweek, it's going to cool down, and this weekend looks like we'll have some snow in the forecast. Taking a look at Happy Valley over Beaver Stadium, you can see it's pretty cloudy out there as the rain and snow will move into our area later this afternoon. And right now, our current conditions, temperatures 36 degrees, it feels like 29, dew point at 28, the visibility is at 10 miles, and the wind we have at 8 miles per hour. Now I'll give it to Jared Stepanski with temperatures.
Thank you, Casey. And now as we look at our temperatures across Pennsylvania, mainly in the 30s to mid-40s, our warm spot in here appears to be Williamsport at 44, and the cool spot is Bradford at 33 and Johnstown at 32. As we look out across the United States, we see some cooler air, very cold up into the Dakotas and Montana in the teens and single digits, and still down in Florida, down to in the 70s and 80s. As we look out at the previous few hours, we see the precipitation that we will see later today approaching, making its way into southern and western portions of Pennsylvania. And now I'll hand it off to Anthony.
Thanks, Jared. As you can see, we do have a winter weather advisory out right now in the southwestern portion of the state, especially in Johnstown. That winter weather advisory warning about terrible road conditions that will be happening later on tonight with the precipitation. That winter weather advisory is in effect until Wednesday at around 12 a.m., so later on tonight. Let's take a look now at our future weather. This is as of 11:30 a.m. You see the precipitation beginning to enter the state toward the southwest. As we move through the afternoon, around 3:30 is when the precipitation will really begin to start falling across most of Pennsylvania here. Just over in the northeast, it's still going to be a little bit dry, not anything yet. But as we move through the day, that snow continues to move through the region along with rain and some mixed precipitation as well. Finally, starting to clear off around Wednesday at 4 a.m., so overnight tonight. And then as we move into tomorrow morning, we can see that the clouds will actually begin to dissipate as well, and we'll get some sun. But as we move through then into Wednesday throughout the day, it does begin to cloud over again, and Wednesday overnight into Thursday morning, there are some more possible snow showers that will be moving throughout the state, probably due to lake effect. Now we're going to hand it off to Tony with the official snowfall forecast.
Thanks, Anthony. And now I'm going to get to you the snow totals we're going to have from this upcoming system. Just taking a look here at the Commonwealth, 1.8 looking to fall in Williamsport by Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. here in State College, 2.1 inches. A little bit further up to the northwest, 2.3 in Bradford. Just take a look at this as we roll through the rest of the day on Thursday and get into the weekend. You're going to have some higher snow totals across the area. Almost 2 inches there in Scranton, 0.6 in Allentown. Nothing looking to fall down in Philly. But we're going to have a little bit, it looks like some lake effect snow that's going to be making its way down here, making for some higher totals up there to our northwest, 5.4 in Bradford and 5.1 up on the lake in Erie. So that's the snowfall forecast. And now going to be kicking it over to our own Brandon Smith.
Thanks, Tony, on that look on what's to come with that snow. Now let's take a look at your forecast for today. We'll have a high of 37 degrees with a wintry mix on its way. We'll have a west wind at 8 to 10 miles per hour. Meanwhile, for tonight, we'll have a low of 33 degrees. That wintry mix will still be persisting with rain later on, and we'll have a southeast wind at 6 miles per hour. And for your forecast for tomorrow, we'll have that high of 39 degrees. Skies will begin to clear. It'll be partly sunny with winds west at 8 miles per hour. Now let's take a look at your forecast for the rest of the week. You can see that wintry mix is going to persist. On Tuesday, we're going to get some snow and freezing rain there with that high of 37 degrees. It should drop down to the low 30s overnight. That should clear out for Wednesday with that high of 39, and we'll have an AM drizzle possible, but otherwise partly sunny skies. And then we should have some light snow showers that would persist through the rest of the week as temperatures hover in the mid to low 30s. As we enter the weekend, skies should begin to clear once again, and we should see partly sunny to mostly sunny skies for your weekends with highs in the upper 30s.
From all of us at the Tuesday Midday Campus Weather Service Shift, have a great rest of your year and enjoy the snow.